The automation of mass production has been central to the growth of manufacturing industries. However, the ever-slowing rate of industrial growth is demanding a new paradigm shift. Here is an industrial company boldly blazing a new trail, having successfully led the innovation of Korea's manufacturing industries. Understanding that manufacturing is at the heart of industrial convergence, POSCO is turning the vision of smart manufacturing into a reality through the convergence with cutting-edge ICT technologies. This is the story of POSCO ICT's Smart Factory journey. With POSFrame, the world's first smart factory platform for steel and process industry, POSCO ICT adopts an IoT sensor to collect data of all fields so as to analyze into and predict with big data and to control every process automatically with artificial intelligence technology. Smart Factory enables POSCO ICT to achieve zero unplanned downtime operations through efficient asset management and minimize defects by intercepting quality issues online. With Virtual Factory, engineers can simulate production operations in advance. Smart Safety allows taking real-time countermeasures against industrial safety hazards on the factory floor. Ultimately, POSCO ICT is in the process of forging a self-running steelworks that can learn, decide, and control processes through artificial intelligence technologies. Steelworks with human intelligence while overcoming human limitations. That's what POSCO ICT's Smart Factory is all about. Massive production assets, equipment, and facilities comprise of steelworks. Productivity and quality depend on how well they are managed. Rolling machine reduces semi-finished slabs to thinner and longer strips by passing them between two rolls. IoT sensors installed on rolling machines are used to collect all parametric data generated in the process of rolling operations, including roll pressure, vibration, rolling speed, and lubrication conditions. Collected data is stored and analyzed in the big data environment. The output is used for real-time automated process control to provide an optimal operational environment. When maintenance engineers inspect machines or replace parts in response to detected signs of failure, they have access to relevant guidance, digitized know-how of skilled engineers, as well as to the remote support from outside experts. On the shop floor, engineers can look inside, break down and reassemble machines in a simulated 3D environment to achieve higher asset management efficiency. The steel industry is characterized by a continuous production process, from raw materials to finished products. POSCO ICT Smart Factory identifies the causes of defects in advance through the integrated analysis of production data to automatically control defects from flowing into the downstream processes. This requires real-time monitoring of raw materials in blast furnaces, quality issue data on the slabs, semi-finished products produced in the continuous casting operation is captured and corrective steps are taken to minimize defects. Even when a surface scan on the final product discovers a defect, the exact cause of the defect can be pinpointed by leveraging the cross-operational data that maps production, quality, and asset to the final product longitudinally. At a 10-centimeter interval, action is taken to prevent recurrence of similar defects. POSCO ICT ensures the safety of workers in a smarter way. Sensors installed on the factory floor are used to monitor the environment of toxic gases, noise, and temperature. The monitoring results are made available to employees through alerts and notifications. Unsafe behaviors on the factory floor are monitored in real time. When employees go near the hazards, alerts are sent to stave off potential incidents in advance. The smart band tracks vital signs of the workers exposed to hazardous environments in real time and transmits the data to the central command center. Immediate action is taken when an anomaly is detected. Smart Steelworks evolves as production output grows. The artificial intelligence embedded in the smart factory environment learns from the collected and streaming data and determines the best course of action, enabling optimal production operations without human intervention. The AI translates unstructured data, including images and conditions of blast furnace tap holes, raceway zones, and charge materials to assess the exact condition of blast furnaces. The best course of action is taken accordingly. The deep learning algorithms of the Surface Defect Detector, SDD, enable selection of the optimal feature, significantly enhancing the defect classification accuracy while helping guarantee higher quality and productivity. POSCO ICT Smart Factory, which has applied to continuous process for the first time in the world, realizes Smart Steel Works, where entire production operations from raw materials to the final products are automatically controlled and continuously evolved with time. Creating a new renaissance in manufacturing, leading the way with Industry 4.0, with world-class competitiveness in quality and production, while expanding its application to continuous processes in other industries. POSCO ICT Smart Factory.